Welcome to Qatari Knowledge Exchange. I hope all are doing good. So in this video, I just came to explain you candlestick pattern that is morning star because I have been observing this pattern from long time and I have seen some in last 1 week time I have seen two times it formed and what is the impact of it and which direction we should trade. So in this video I'll explain. So now this on screen we can see this is a morning star. Pattern or candlestick pattern. So you can see the first candle, it will form with a red, completely red. And then we can, second candle, it will be either a green candle or red candle, but it will form with a small wick. Okay. And the third candle, it will form with a 50% or above the first candle, that is red candle. So what happens when these morning star form in the general market? Okay. So that we'll see now. So you can see the pattern, red candle, and the second is small one, either bullish candle or blue, bearish candle is red or blue, sorry, green color, red or green color, and then green color above, which is above the 50% of the first candle. Okay. So this is a pattern. So what happens when this pattern forms? Generally, once this pattern forms, we can see some bullish side, like it will go upside from this candle onwards. We can go for a upper side for the buying. Okay. So now let's check with the Nifty 50 chart. So with the 15 minutes time frame I have taken for the last like one week to 2 weeks time, whenever it found, I have taken that chart as well just to explain you. So now just check with that pattern. Okay. So now on which date? Generally on 28th March. So at 12 in the mid afternoon, it this candlestick pattern, sorry, morning star pattern has formed. Okay. So we can see what it is. So now let's say if we compare with that, this is the morning star pattern, right? So just compare with this, okay? So you can see the red candle, and then this one second candle with small green formed in it. So you can see here, and the third candle is like 50% above the first candle. So that is also. So what is above? Once this pattern formed, I said it will be going to be bullish. So this next candle started at around 22,350 level and it went upside on the same day up to, so by 12 the pattern has been formed around 12:30. The pattern is formed from the 12:30 time, from 22,353 level to almost, it went up to 22,500, almost 150 points single side movement on the same day within 2 hours time period, that is 12:30 to almost 2:30. Okay. So this is a which is on 28th March it formed, right? Now check with the another time when it formed. So I've been observing this piece of 50. Generally, when we are looking at the patterns, these candlestick patterns, go for a 15 minutes time frame so that it will we can identify the right patterns. Okay, in smaller time frame also we can identify, but the long trades we may not capture. So I'll see in 15 minutes. So try to check with it in 15 minutes time frame. Okay, and the second time it formed on 3rd April. Okay, so now let's come back with the same thing just for your observation to just remind like it, these pattern should keep in your mind, right? So I'm just dragging that so that you can check. See the same pattern kind formed here, red candle and then green and then bigger green above 50% of the first candle. So here also the level the 3rd April around 10 a.m. in the morning it formed from this candle from 22,392 level to almost it continued up to the trend, which is bullish trend, continued up to 22,500 within almost 2.5 hours. So just basically, in case if you go for the trade hourly in this candle, so that will be around 22,390 to almost 22,456, around 50 points. So if you previous candle also will check. So if you want to go for only with these candle like 22,350 level to almost 22,416 and up to it went 22,500 level, same kind of 150 points. But in case if you want to exit your trade within this candle, it has given you 50 point to 60 points, almost 355 level to 414 level. So same with the here whenever it found with this candle, if you can check 22,391 to 22,454, almost 50-60 points. So if you take trades like in the money delta zero point 0.6 and zero point 0.7 above, the premium will be around 150 or 200 like that, or so it will give you easily 30 to 40 points premium. So if you go with even for a 100 quantity also, it will give you around 3,000 4,000 profit. So generally these patterns will not form regularly, so we have many candlestick patterns. So I'm just explaining this one for right now. Ongoing videos, I'll try to explain more patterns which are more frequently appearing on the live charts. So Morningstar and other patterns also will appear regularly, but for now, just go for a Morningstar. Just keep it in your mind, and whenever it forms, you should go for a bullish pattern, like bullish side, single side, call sides. You should go for a buy. Okay, so that's all in the video, guys. So please like and comment and share it also with your friends. And let me know if you want to know more about any topics in these market related patterns, technical indicators, or fundamental indicators, fundamental analysis in the comments, so that I'll try to explain them